What's up, guys? Are you ready for a little metamorphosis?
So you guys know I love Halloween costumes, and as the self-proclaimed queen of Halloween, this horrible butterfly costume I did a few years ago literally haunts me.
So today I'm actually doing a costume that I did once before, but today is gonna be my redemption where I show you guys the world's greatest butterfly costume.
So inspired by my mom's text of the day and this fantastic corset I've had saved on Pinterest for years, I am going to officially clear my conscience and my name and come back with the best butterfly costume you've ever seen.
Let's craft. What is up, beautiful angels? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel, and today we're starting this video as a caterpillar. Should we start the video with an outfit of the day? My boots are Louboutins because even when I'm a caterpillar, I still got fashion. And by the way, you guys, this video is filmed kind of like a rogue documentary. It is gonna be all over the place on account of I don't really know how I make these outfits until after I've already made them. You know that quote, "You learn art by doing"? Yeah, so please pardon the bad camera angles, the blurriness, what we will call director's choice. And enjoy the tutorial.
Okay guys, as always, time for the ingredients. The first things first is obviously we're gonna make these out of feathers. These are natural goose feathers. They look like this. These are also metallic gold feathers. I got these on Amazon. Also need this. What is this? I don't know. Honestly, all I really wanted was the tiny white feathers, but I was on short notice, so I'm using this thing that weirdly enough I had in my house already. So that's that for the feathers. You're also going to need a trusty glue gun. You're also going to need 17,000 glue gun sticks because you use a lot of hot glue for this project. Obviously, you're going to need some scissors, some black satin ribbon. It's just normal ass ribbon. Ta-da! You're also going to want some of those vintage hair clips. I'll show you what we're going to do with these later. Also going to need some wings. I picked these up on Amazon. These are the biggest ones Amazon sells, so we got those. For the base of the costume, you're going to need a black bra. You're also going to need this weird black skirt thing. What is this? I wish I could tell you. I have used this for so many costumes. I used it for my Greek goddess costume. It was the base. Apparently, men use it like this for God only knows what they're trying to be. But this thing is great, so I got myself one of those. Satin corset. That's beautiful. Bracelet and ring available on 333, by the way. Wow. Okay, anyways. Some black strappy sandals. These are Gucci sandals that I already had, hence we're going to use them. Don't worry, nothing bad's gonna happen to them. So I'm gonna get some black tights with a garter belt. I fucked up, garter belt not included, so thank God I also had this pair. By the way, I almost forgot, y'all were gonna be naked in the streets. You need some black underwear. Because the idea is obviously when you wear all of the things together, it becomes a pretty spicy base for an outfit. You know, I wish this could be my whole costume, but unfortunately we have to wear some more. But by the way, everybody knows I love a skimpy scampy outfit. Do you guys remember my first Halloween costume video ever? Easiest slutty costume tip in the world, wear your bathrobe out of the house. I've been barely dressed since 2015, you guys. You can have a little teeny costume base, or you can have a big thick one kind of like this. You can literally do whatever you want, whatever makes you feel like the queen of the world. What are you? No one knows, but you look hot as hell, so no one cares. So that's what you need. And with that, let's craft. All right, so like I said, we are going to be giving these wings a makeover. So that's what we're gonna start with. You can see, ta-da, these are the wings. Before, they just kind of look like this. They're a little lackluster, so we are gonna turn them into phenomenal butterfly wings, more in this kind of shape. So to do that, what we're gonna do is take the black goose feathers, you can see, and just kind of align them along the edges like this. So they're thicker and fluffier and just look more luxurious overall. Do you see? Look at what a huge difference that made, just putting some extra feathers on the side. To actually attach them, we're gonna take the trusty glue gun here and just literally put some glue on the feathers, da-da-da-da, press them on. This is literally so easy and takes 5 minutes. It is very simple. So we're gonna finish that up, put them on the edges here all the way around. Do your best to try to keep all wild animals trying to eat your costumes away during this process. Oh, look how much more fabulous the left wing is than the right wing. Makes a huge difference. So now we're going to take the gold feathers and I'm going to decorate the inside of the wings. See how this is like that? All I'm going to do for this is glue the feathers onto the insides of the wings, kind of layering them up and down till that's all covered up. Again, we're just going to hot glue those on there until it's all layered up like a fabulous butterfly. George Biscuit being naughty. Hello. I'm also going to glue a little chunk of feathers to the bottom here to make it like even more butterfly-y. So there we go. Just added a couple feathers right there. So the tea is, you guys know I never know what I'm doing for these videos until I actually start. So now we are going to take the satin ribbon. We're just going to cut it into little strips with the scissors. Since butterflies have a pattern in their wings right there, we're just going to glue this in some kind of random lines to kind of give it that butterfly effect. Get it? Oh, looking pretty good. I just thought you would like to know that this does in fact take a very long time. It is now dark. But we're still going strong. So now we're going to take this weird feather duster thing, and like I said, for this, it's just the tip. So we're going to cut the little tops of the feathers off here until we have like little kind of ovally little white feathers. I'm going to hot glue those around the wings just to give it that kind of like monarch pattern. And ta-da! This is what the wings are going to look like. Oh my gosh, f***ing unbelievable. All right, so now we're going to do the top of the costume. So again, here's the bra that I'm going to use. And for this, I'm just going to decorate this with feathers. Again, I'm going to glue the black ones on to start as kind of the base here. So again, shocker, hot glue gun that on. So easy, just kind of glue those around the bra until it's all decorated with the feathers. Instead of Fergalicious, it's Featherlicious. Then we're going to take the next color feathers and just kind of do the same thing. Hot glue those on like so. Do the same thing to pattern it up with the string, hot glue that on until it kind of is giving more butterfly. Add a couple extra feathers to give it a little extra dimension. Glue on the little white guys, and voila, look at that. There's your feather bra. And now we're gonna do the skirt. You guys remember, like I said, this is what the weird skirt thing looks like. It's actually only half a skirt, but this is it. So we're gonna glue on here some extra feathers to make it a little more fabulous. So we're just gonna take the gold feathers and glue those on the top here. Glue those around until you have this kind of pattern design here. Again, add the hot glue string to give it some dimension, the little white feathers on there. All just hot gluing it until it looks like this. And now the accessories. Take those little clips from earlier, and we're just gonna hot glue feathers right onto there. Again, we're just mimicking the design of the butterfly. Stick some extra black feathers on there, stick some little white ones on there, stick the ribbons on to match the rest of the costume. And now you have cool little shoe clips. Do you see? Pretty slick, if I do say so myself. And oh my gosh, when it is all done, look at this. It looks gorgeous. Wow. Look at the shimmery, shiny goldenness and the corset. Oh, it is just going to be so good. Ooh, I'm so excited to put it on. Look at that. Look at it. Oh, wow. By the way, not me filming this like this in my underwear in the bathroom. It just looks better with the flash on, guys. So, whoa, yeah. This is the true behind the scenes of what I do. Isn't my bathroom beautiful though? In case you've never seen it. Oh, this is one hell of a bathroom. So gorgeous. Oh, fabulous. Anyway, so now that this is finished, time for the documentary part where we actually get ready. Ta-da! I put on my cocoon. Do you get it? So to kick off this transformation, we're gonna give a huge shout out to today's video sponsor, Wonderskin, for transforming my face every day. See what I did there? You guys already know I am Wonderskin's biggest fan in the whole world, but in case you haven't heard me talk about this before, ta-da! This is my #1 favorite lip product of all time in the world. This is the Wonderskin Lip Mask in color Lovely. I use this every single day. You probably recognize it from my products that changed my life haul, because it did. Quick tutorial. It's actually very festive right now because it makes your lips look very haunted and spooky. So you just put it on your lips like so. Ooh. And you're just gonna wait, give it like 20 to 40 seconds, and some actual magic is going on under there. We did the mash. We did the monster mash. Is a monster mash an actual dance, actually?
I don't even know.
You just wipe it off with a little damp cloth. Oh my God, gorgeous. Are you guys seeing this? Holy shit, this is the best product in the world! Throw this away. My lips look brand new.
And if I want to go make out with people,
amazing! If you guys want to try this, it's actually on Amazon. Also on the Wonder Skin website. Like I said, Color Lovely is my favorite, though they're all fabulous. Unbelievable, literally life-changing product. My lips have never looked this good in my whole life, and y'all know I've paid a damn fortune for them. Expose myself. Okay, that's not a secret. But anyway, continuing with the transformation, here we go. So you guys have seen me do my makeup a million times, so I'm not gonna bore you with this, but ta-da! Maybe I'll just do a cool transition instead, okay? Now that's witchcraft. I know, I do the same makeup look every day, but that's okay because it's amazing. But if you guys want some more cool butterfly makeup, the only thing that was good about my butterfly tutorial a few years ago, my makeup in it was really, really good. I did this whole thing, it was amazing. I don't honestly remember how I did that. I will have to watch the tutorial myself, but you want some inspo, and there you go. And now I'm gonna go get dressed. Are you ready?
drum a roll, please. Da-na-na-na-na. Oh my God.
This came out unbelievable. Oh my gosh, look at it up close, look at it far away. Wow, oh my gosh, and in the dark with the flash, it is just giving. Wow, oh, it just looks unbelievable.
Wow. This came out even better than I expected. Oh my gosh, look at this, you guys. I could just do this for hours. Ooh, 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 ooh. I feel like Kendall Jenner. It's giving Victoria's Secret runway. Fly like a butterfly, I'm gonna fly away. Float like a butterfly, sting like a bee, and look like a bad bee. Why did I throw butter across the room? To see a butterfly. Get it? Oh, it's the closest you're gonna see me doing the cooking on this channel. By the way, don't even ask what's going on with the carpet right now. It was clashing with the wings for the photos, so just don't mind that. But anyways, look at this. Look, 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 look. In the ballroom, it looks even prettier. Oh my God. Holy shitballs, the wings are just beautiful. It's just turning into a house tour. I'm having too much fun with this. I need to take it off. La, 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 I danced with you once upon a butterfly. Dressed to impress? Impressed. Score 10,000 million. I love it, I love it, I love it. Oh, wow. So big. I'm sorry. I don't know why I'm like this. Low-key without the wings, I bet this would still be a fit.
I might wear this outside to Trader Joe's.
Well, I'm gonna go fly away now. By the way, guys, I have no fashion training, can't sew, and really just made this up on the spot, so super easy. Anyone can do this literally, and that's the whole point of DIY. Do it yourself. Well, I've definitely proven that I've still got it. Fashion Nova can't do this, I'll tell you that. Okay, I'm gonna attempt to do a TikTok really quick.
You know, I always get what I want.
By the way, if you want a good laugh, you know what this is? Pantyhose that I cut the top off of. And like I said, the ring, 333, shop now, yes. I'm sorry, if you don't like this costume, you're wrong. This is the best butterfly costume in the world. And with that, I feel vindicated. Actually, I'm a very humble person. I have like hella imposter syndrome, but not about costumes. As Rihanna says, she can beat me, but she can't beat my outfit. P.S. As always, if you guys do any of my costumes, please tag me. I love, love, love to see them. Seeing them every year just melts my heart and makes me so happy. It's one of my favorite things about being a YouTuber, honestly, is seeing you guys recreate my stuff. And with that, I bid you adieu. Enjoy being pretty butterflies. As I would say, freaking nailed it. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna attempt to clean up my house and put my beautiful rug back, not in a ball on the floor. Oops. But thanks for watching. I love you guys. Kisses till next time. XO. I'm getting old.